Good morning, scholars. It's Monday, April 6th, and we're going to begin looking at Lesson 19 on page 127 in your spelling book. We're going to look at the two sounds that double O can make. Double O spells long U and the sound you hear in book, but you're also going to hear the sound in school, so oo and are the two sounds we're going to be spending on this lesson. Since we only have 3 days of school this week and 4 days next week, this lesson is going to be broken into both of those weeks. So you will have 1 page of work per day until next Thursday. So let's get started. Pattern words. First thing, as always, read the pattern words fast. Are you ready? Let's begin. Stood, proofread, shook, bloom, toothbrushes, hook, crooked, footprint, smooth, moon, spoon, cook, choose, hood, school books, wooden. Excellent. So we can go ahead and check that off. The next thing it says to do is to circle the compound words. Well, let's tell our brain we're going to circle, and then we have to know what a compound word is. If you don't remember, this is going to be very difficult to do. So a compound word is 2 words that come together to make a bigger word. The emphasis is usually placed on the first word. So we're going to look for words that are 2 words that have come together to make bigger words. Stood, no, proofread. Wait a minute, I do see the word read in there, so proofread. I'm going to circle that. I'm pretty sure that is a compound word. 2 words come together to make a bigger word. Shook, bloom, toothbrushes. There we go. Another one. This word crooked has a suffix, but it's not 2 words, so I'm not going to circle that one. You can go ahead and finish that on your own. Next thing we're going to do is, just like we did last week, we're going to write the pattern words in A, B, C order. So A, B, C order is very important. Words that begin with A first, B, C, D, we'll just go through the alphabet. So I'm going to look at these 4 words. These are the only words I'm going to use for these 4 spaces. Let's read them. Hook, hood, bloom, moon. Well, there's no A's. Oh, there is a B, so I'm pretty sure that's going to be the first word. So bloom, I'm going to write it right here. Hear it, see it, say it, and write it. Feed your brain 4 ways. Ready, begin. B, L, O, O, M. If you noticed, I begin all of my letters at the top and I stop at the line. It's not a race. I don't give a blue ribbon for the person who's done the fastest. Make sure you're practicing your handwriting skills as you are writing your letters. Then I'm going to look. Hook, hood, moon. Well, H is before M, so I know these 2 are going to come first, or next, but I've got a problem. H-O-O, H-O-O. I have to go to the very last letter in these words to see which one is next. So now I've got the D and the K. Which one of those letters is next in the alphabet? Hood, you're right, D in hood. So that's going to be our second word. Let's go ahead and see it, say it, hear it, and write it. Feed your brain 4 ways. Ready? Begin. H, O, O, D. Then I'm going to continue and fill those in. You'll notice the next one, 4 words, and again 5 words down here at the bottom. So we're going to use these 4 words for these 4 lines. I got some C words I'm going to have to look at carefully, so I'll have to go to the second letter in those C words. Might even have to move to the 3rd letter in a couple of those. This last group is all S's, so I'm going to have to take a look very carefully at the second letter of those words to see, and maybe for a couple of them move on to the third letter. I think you're pretty good with the ABC order, so I'm not going to spend any more time on that. Then I'm going to look at the bottom, and we have a section that says get a clue. Fill in the blanks. So I'm going to fill in the blanks with the correct pattern words. So I'm going to have to go back up here and look at my pattern words to see what the answers are. So let's take a look. Number 1. It has 4 consonant letters in a row. So 4 is important. This word consonant is important. If I don't know what that is, I'm not going to be able to answer that question. Remember, a consonant is everything that is not a vowel in our alphabet of 26 letters. So 21 of the letters are consonants. So we're looking for those letters, not an A, E, I, O, or U in a row. 4 consonant letters in a row. So I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to start taking a look. Only 2 BL consonant 2 toothbrushes. Consonant, consonant, consonant. Ooh, I think we found our word. I think our word is the compound word toothbrushes, because there are 4 consonants in a row. THBR. So I'm going to write toothbrushes as my number 1 answer. I'm going to begin at the top, make my letters nice and neat. I'm going to see it, say it, hear it, and spell it, and feed my brain. Are you ready? Let's begin. Toothbrushes. T-O-O-T-H-B-R-U-S-H suffix E-S. More than 1 toothbrush. Toothbrushes. Then I'm going to go on, I'm going to look, it has 4 O's. It contains the word of. So I might want to underline that. It's going to contain this word. Describing words have 2 syllables. Describing, so it's going to be how something looks or acts. The blue house, the house was blue is the describing word. But the words also have to have 2 syllables. I think we better go look at this one. Something that's describing. Stood. Now it doesn't tell me how anybody stood. Proofread, no. Shook, no. Bloom, no. Toothbrushes, no. Hook, no, that's a noun. Crooked. He went down the crooked path. That's a describing word right there, crooked. And it has 2 syllables. Let's clap it out. Crooked. 2 syllables. So I'm going to write that in number 4. First answer for number 4. Crooked. See it, say it, hear it, and spell it. Feed your brain 4 ways. Ready, begin. C-R-O-O-K-E-D. Crooked. You're going to do the next one on your own. And the last one I think you'll be able to do. Past tense, happened in the past, and it only has 1 syllable. You can handle it. All right, until I see you next time, go out and do great things.